A lot of people that want to start out using Yellowdig are curious about how they should set their word requirements. So I wanted to talk about that. We think the sort of ideal pin length sweet spot is around 40 to 100 words. We have some data showing that there's a real tail that goes down after that. Part of the reason is that students stop actually reading other people's posts when they're incredibly long. One thing we know from sort of standard social media is that the ideal length for engagement and readability is somewhere about 25 words. So I would tend to recommend towards the short end of this pin length sweet spot if you're looking to maximize how much your students will engage with the content. If you want them to post more words, just require them to do more posts by upping how many points you require. As for comment length, the sweet spot is probably even shorter. So we see boards that peak around 20 to 50 words. So anything more than that, and students start not reading comments either. These seem really short for most people, but if you think about a standard social media experience, they're not that short. And if you also think about a real conversation, each conversational turn doesn't have to be that long to be thoughtful or insightful. So in most cases, students actually post way beyond the requirement. But in cases where they want to have a quick, thoughtful post, it's really helpful if they can do that.